welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So I've been playing with this beastie flagship gaming smartphone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus for around a week now. And ladies and gents, this is the Redmagic 6S Pro 5G smartphone, and finally I can share my experience with you as it's finally launched globally today. And I tell you guys, here's one of the best gaming smartphones currently available, which has some new innovative and enhanced features which have me hooked to this phone. In this video we'll check out the price, detailed specs and features, the Redmagic OS 4.0 GameSpace, and a bunch of tests including camera, battery, speed, audio, streaming, Antutu benchmark and Geekbench scores, and without doubt gaming on this gaming beast. We'll then move on to Leah's pros and niggles and decide whether or not you should grab one too, and we'll see if it will be replacing my current favourite gaming smartphone. Now guys, check out the specs on the screen in front of you. And this is everything we get in the box. Here we have a SIM eject tool, a quick start guide, a nice handy rubber silicone case, a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a 30-watt fast charging power adapter. And ladies and gents, the Nubia Redmagic 6S Pro smartphone. Priced from £519, this beast comes in 3 separate models. Now I have the 16GB 256GB model in my hand, priced at £609. Now check it out guys. Here at the back we have a metal middle frame and glass back cover. I have this cyborg black model in my hands and it measures at 169 by 77 by 9.7 millimeters and weighs at 220 grams. I have left the links for all 3 models in the description box below. And on the left we have this red switch, which when flicked upwards switches the phone into gaming mode, taking you to the Redmagic gaming space. Below this we have a vent and the volume rocker. On the right we have some more vents, a power button and a mic. On the top we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and another mic. And at the bottom guys we have a SIM card tray which supports only a single nano 5G SIM card. We do not have a micro SD card port, and here we have another mic and a USB Type-C port and a bottom firing speaker. And on the rear we have a triple camera setup. Below these a flashlight, followed by the Redmagic branding nicely centered and the Redmagic logo below this, for which I've turned on the lamp. Although the fan is not visible, you can hear it quite faintly when sat in a quiet room or area. To enhance the gaming experience even more, here on the left hand side of the phone we have upgraded 450Hz IC touch, independent and customizable shoulder triggers, which allow for an even faster touch response. Redmagic have mentioned that there's a third additional back button cover somewhere which is meant to be customizable, but I've not been able to find this personally. If you guys know where this may be, do let me know in the comments below. Now guys, check out this really stunning 6.8 inches AMOLED Full HD Plus 165Hz eSport Ultra Smooth Full Display with 700 nits brightness and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass protection, which is a gamer's dream. And this combined with 720 multi-finger touch sampling rate, which allows for super fast and precise response, is just a treat. Now check out this 7th gen underscreen optical fingerprint sensor, which is very responsive and probably one of the best I've used on any smartphone. Not only that guys, it can be used for fingerprint payments, and check this guys, we also have heart rate detection, which is almost accurate. We have an 8 megapixel selfie camera here on the top bezel. And guys, we have dual top and bottom firing DTS supported speakers, which are impressively loud and clear. Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Today's episode is special.
Hello everyone, I'm Guillermo Ivan at Glamour Gadgets Gaming by Leah, and it's an honor to be here.
What's up guys, Super Saf here.
Hi everybody, this is TK.
What's up guys, Cheeks here from Cheeks Tech Reviews.
Thank you to Leah for bringing me in on this collaboration.
Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased Vlog.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
The Redmagic 6S Pro comes with an enhanced cooling system which ensures a greater user experience, especially whilst heavy usage like gaming. I sure have found the phone to be cool and comfortable to hold even whilst playing highly graphical games for long periods. The upgraded built-in turbofan with 20,000 RPM, which means rotations per minute, is quite silent in operation. It really assists in dispensing the heat from the phone, cooling it right down and saving it from overheating, whilst also maintaining solid, powerful performance. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 888 Plus flagship chipset and the new Cairo 680 CPU, and Adreno 660 GPU, we have 16GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM with UFS 3.1. All this combined and lightning fast Wi-Fi 6E and 5G compatibility allows for an exceptional, fast, smooth, lag-free user, streaming and gaming experience both whilst indoors or on the go. And on that note guys, now check out some gaming and streaming, the picture and video quality and all the tests I have performed on this beast. The phone is not just a treat for the gamers and streamers. The photos and videos captured on this beast are also very impressive. We have a triple camera setup here on the rear, which consists of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel Samsung sensors, which are very decent too. Now, probably not in the competition with the quality of the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra or even the Samsung S21 Ultra, but these are Samsung sensors, and the 64 megapixel main sensor has definitely captured some impressive shots with lots of colors and contrast and low noise, both indoors and outdoors. And as for the video, the Redmagic 6S Pro does capture at Ultra HD 8K Max. However, check out the Ultra HD 4K footage that I've taken on it. And in my opinion, we have very decent cameras both for pictures and videos. Now check out some YouTube streaming in 4K.
Oh my god! What are these trick glasses or something?
Enjoy your lifetime supply of virginity.
It is so crazy down there. So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my god.
As for the audio guys, thanks to the top and bottom firing DTS supported speakers, the audio is loud, cinematic and clear.
Welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Today's episode is special.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
We have some impressive Wi-Fi speed test results here with 60.2 upload speed and 18.7 download speed, which are the highest speeds I am currently receiving. Moving on to Antutu and Geekbench mark scores. 865,000 is probably the highest Antutu benchmark score I personally have achieved on any smartphone. And the Geek benchmark scores are equally incredible, scoring 1,179 in single core and 3,615 in multi-core tests. And now moving on to that moment you guys are probably eagerly waiting for. Check out some Call of Duty Mobile and Ausfor 9 Legends on this beast and tell me in the comments guys, what do you think of this super smooth, lag-free, powerful, addictive gaming smartphone? Haha. Now that was lots of fun, especially when you lead the game. And here you can also see that after going through a set of vigorous tests, I was gaming on this phone for a very long time too, and the phone is still at a decent temperature. And guys, check this. After putting the phone through so many tests and trials, I still have plentiful juice to get me through the day. And that's thanks to the monstrous 5050 milliamp cell in this phone and the 30 watt fast charger. This phone also supports up to 66 watts fast charging. Now from a full 100% charge, the phone has usually lasted me uninterrupted for around 1.5 days. Now that's with casual gaming, streaming, a bit of social media, WhatsApp calls, etc. And now for us gamers, there's also this charge separation feature found in the GameSpace, which I haven't yet tested, but Nubia says it allows for the phone to be powered directly from a power source without passing through the battery, which allows for the phone to stay cool and also is a great way of extending the overall lifespan of the battery, which is always much welcomed. Now guys, the Android 11 OS with Redmagic OS 4.0 on top with GameSpace UI is beautiful. It allows us to take full control of the gaming experience, and guys, there's so much fun and game in this place. Here we can customize the controls, see and control notifications, record gameplay in real time, enhance display settings. We can minimize the game window to a smaller floating screen whilst using other apps. However guys, this is limited to some games such as PUBG Mobile. Furthermore, without interrupting the gameplay, we can even quickly use WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, etc. via App Overlay, which allows for a small interactive overlay window to appear like here. And this, ladies and gents, is super cool. So guys, what do you think of this monstrous phone so far? Let's check out Leah's pros and cons and decide. Here we have flagship specs and features. A powerful phone with the best flagship Android chipset. It tops in benchmark scores. It is beautiful with a solid premium build. Has very decent cameras. Has these much welcomed turbo fans. Has a monstrous battery, supports super fast charging, and guys, would you believe it's priced at only £609, which makes it one of the cheapest flagship Android smartphones with Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, and easily one of the best bang for your buck gaming smartphones. And moving on to the niggles, guys, well, it does not have an IP rating, and although this would have been nice, I guess we can afford to compromise. I personally don't like to game in the rain or the swimming pool, for example, so you know, I ain't complaining too much. And as for the storage, it cannot be expanded. Personally, I feel 256 gigabytes is plentiful for my needs, so once again, I'm not complaining there, and I really honestly can't think of any more cons in this phone. The pros definitely outweigh the niggles, and in my opinion and user experience, I feel we definitely have a winner here with the Nubia Redmagic 6S Pro 5G smartphone, and especially for those who are after a flagship smartphone, which is a current best, especially for gaming in terms of power, performance, and that price for only £609. So what do you think, guys? Do you agree? Is the Redmagic 6S Pro on your to buy list? Can you think of any other pros or niggles? Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions, do jot these down too. And have you enjoyed this video? Kindly do let me know by hitting that like button, do comment, share and subscribe, and hit that bell icon too. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram if you want to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Guys, the next video does have a little thank you gift / giveaway thingy for one lucky viewer. And this thingy giveaway is intended especially for those who actually watch my videos very patiently and survive right to the end. So guys, for now, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Till the next one, take care, stay safe. Bye.
Target's inside. Taking the lead. Back up. Enemy contact.
Friendlies under killer zone deployed.
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Tango down. Target's inside. Need backup. Reloading. Need backup.
It's too close.